All right, we're back here at Colossal Breaks. Today we are doing a box break of 2024 Topps Chrome Disney. 4 number parallels per box. And hopefully we can get some good here. 2024 Topps Chrome Disney. Very expensive box, but let's see what we get. Oh, box is a little bent right there. All right, there's the packs. Disney. Tramp. Regular. Heimcliff. Olaf. Rapunzel. Yes. Sadness. She's so sad. Miss Bianca. Jack Parr. Jack. Dolores Mandrill. Merida. Tuk. And a refractor of Tinkerbell. Bo Peep. Violet Parr. Colt Bronco. Luigi. Ooh, 13 out of 25. We got a Bolt. Wow, okay, that's a good one. 13 out of 25, and it's a Bolt. German Shepherd.
Wow, a nice car.
Yeah, that's a good one. Flynn Rider.
Peak.
Ham. Thumper. Mona. Base. Jude Hopps. Got a Yoki. And a Rafiki. Lion King. Got the Genie. There we go.
Sweetie?
Genie.
Oh.
Bell. Got a Bell. Inu. Flynn Rider. Hank. And Searcher Clyde. So. Got a Princess Aurora. Princess Aurora base. Mad Hatter. Elsa. Boo. Got a Mowgli. And a King Simba. Not numbered, also. King Simba. Just our cat. Also Wonderland. Got a Lisa Monroe. Sheriff of Nottingham. Marlin. Eve. And we got a 10 out of 150 Violet Parr. Violet Parr. Like heavy cards. Thick and heavy. Copper. Pocahontas. Ember Lumen. Mac. Ooh, we got a Lightning Queen. It looks like we got a Donald Duck refractor, not numbered here, but it's a Donald Duck 90. Donald Duck 90,
Oh, wow.
right?
Nice card.
Not bad. That's pretty cool. Got a Buzz Lightyear, Frozone, Anxiety, Jagger Claude, Marlin again, and then into a Emersolida, Esmeralda, young Roman woman, who's the Humpback of Notre Dame. This is out of 51 out of 101. Three packs left here. 3 packs. Winnie the Pooh, Sebastian, Peppa Mangarella, Grumpy, Skinner, and a Inside Out Disgust. 2 packs. 2 packs. Got a Slinky Dog, Quasimodo, Bernie Lumen, Melee, Alfredo Linguini, and a Nemo. Nice. Future Stars Nemo. All right, that's our last pack. 2024 Topps Chrome Disney. Pluto, Luca Paguaro, Hercules. Let's see, Anna, Chick Hicks, and 119 out of 199, a Hank. Got a Hank. All right, that's your box break. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and see you next time. Bye.